Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. Here at my guy Infamous house. We about to see if we can get these badges on, see if we can get this catch can on. You know, more additions to the car. Stay tuned. We got everything right here, as you can see. Got the badges. Got the catch can. About to get these things installed. One badge down, 3 more to go. 2 down, 2 more to go. So unfortunately, guys, we got 2 of the badges on, not all 4. We got to do the side badges later because they're too small, and I got to order different badges and get them painted. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. As you can see, got the front badge on. Unfortunately, couldn't do the sides, they're too small. I got the rear one installed. Looks pretty good. So remember, I'm ordering the 2 new side badges. They're gonna get painted at Bel-Red. Then we're gonna get it installed. But right here, as you can see, we got the catch can on. Now I know that purple doesn't match that purple, but it's totally fine. Cause this purple is gonna match all the other covers that I'm getting installed or getting done. And then once I get them in, I'll let you guys see them before we install them. But that purple will match all of these. And the only thing that'll be a little different is the intake. But to me, you know, I'm happy with it. We got those things installed, got the badges on. Like I said, we're gonna get those side badges done. But I'm happy with what I got for now. I know people gonna pull up to the side and be like, is that a Hellcat? It's a Hellcat. So I'm not really worried about that. And once we get those new badges done, they're gonna get put on and we'll be complete. So until the next one, guys, remember, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.